Hello everyone, today we will discuss about how different metals react to the neutral salt spray tests. So we have different kind of metals which are being used in our real life applications. For example, for aerospace industries, for automotive industries. For example, steels of mild steel grade. Other than this, we have stainless steel of 304 grade and 316 grade. Other than this, we use galvanized steels, electroplated copper based materials we use, and magnesium based metals we used. So for each of these kind of metals, there is a different level of corrosion happen on this, and on the different period of time we have to judge the failure on the sample. So this particular video is for that thing, and we will also understand the concept of white rust and red rust in this. So white rust is the sacrificial corrosion in which within 24 to 96 hours you can see the white layers appearing on the samples which are galvanized, zinc coated steels or the magnesium kind of components. However, if I talk about the red rust, generally it is more severe corrosion and it destroys the base metal, and generally we see this kind of corrosion in 500 hours of testing. This is very severe testing which generally happens on steel or irons or the mild steel. So these are the kind of metals which are more exposed to red rust. Now one by one we will categorize these. So initially we have a basic steel, for example mild steel. So in this it is dependent on the thickness of the material. So if it is a red rust, then within 24 to 96 hours or even 1000 plus hours, it depends on the thickness of the steel, the mild steel, the red rust appears on that. Then we have stainless steel of 304 grade or the 316 grade. In these, red rust or white rust doesn't happen. In that only the pitting or the holes used to happen in these kind of stainless steel. This is how you understand that what kind of rusting will happen on that. The third kind of metal we have is the zinc, or we do galvanization on the material. So on that what we do, we make a oxide layer, so that the a protective layer, so that any kind of outer atmosphere is not reacting to the metal and damaging it. So for that galvanized steel, generally you will see the exposure of corrosion of white rust first within 24 to 96 hours, and after the 500 hours of salt spray test you will see the red rust on that. Initially you will see white rust. Then we talk about the steel irons that are more prone to red rust, that is the severe rusting, and that we can see within 500 hours and the 1000 plus hours. It depend on the coating of the samples. So this is something you have to know. Even if we talk about the magnesium metals, so that are also more prone to white rust, and this is how we judge that the rusting has appeared on the sample. So if I have categorized the white rust and red rust, so in 24 to 96 hours white rust happen, and 500 plus hours of testing when is happened, then we used to see the red rust on the sample. So the main purpose of making this video is to make this industry understand that after the completion of the testing, the salt spray testing, and also to understand that what is the exact time for which the customer should be using the salt spray testing for. Is it the 500 hours, is it the 1000 hours, is it the 72 hours or a 96 hours test. So it is dependent on the type of coating they are using. So thank you so much.